Hi, Harsha Rigney here from Astrovision. This is our moon calendar. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on gardening with the moon. In the calendar we have two areas to help you with this. On the October page we have given you the gardening with the moon. In this reference it's about the phases. The waxing, new to full moon, and the waning, full to new moon. With the waxing phase, we start with the new moon. Obviously it moves through the first quarter and then to the full. This is where the moon is increasing in light. As it does so, it means that the energy of the earth is drawing to the surface. Therefore, we bring all our planting to this time upon crops that are above the ground, particularly leafy vegetables and annuals, short-term plants. From full to third quarter, well, full to new, of course, is the waning phase, and the energy of the earth is that it's pulling into the earth, and therefore it's drawing the roots down. So the planting is between full and third quarter, and this is the time to plant shrubs and trees, perennials, biennials, and also where we are to establish the principles of endurance. From third quarter to new, there's no planting at all. This is a time of rest, of fertilizing, spreading mulch and compost, clearing the ground and preparing for the new moon again, the new cycle. All of the tips that are there are indicating the task set for each of those phases, the waxing and the waning. But to define this even more, at the back of the calendar we have what we call a lunar gardening guide. And here this takes you through every garden activity for every day. It is set into a grid which I will take you through. So let's find a day in question. This example I will use is October the 14th. Now here we're going to see that the moon goes into Scorpio. So as far as our grid, we're going to be using the row of Scorpio. So in that first column, we go down until we find the moon in Scorpio. And here it is here, about 3/4 of the way down. This is the row that we will be looking at for the moon in Scorpio. Next, we need to know what column we are to look at. And that comes from the phase of the moon that the moon will be in at that time. We can see from our calendar that the new moon happened just the day before, and a week later the moon will be at the first quarter. Therefore we know that the phase of the moon on our day in question, the 14th of October, is between new and first quarter. Coming back to our lunar gardening guide grid, we're using that second column there, new to first quarter moon. We take this column down until we find the Scorpio, and those tasks that are there in the symbols explained all here will give us the activities suitable for gardening on that day. Now in this we have designed it so that every day has its ultimate gardening activity, and it actually encompasses all the different seasons as well. Wishing you all the best with your gardening with the moon. Thank you for watching. If you wish to follow us on Facebook, please do. Our website is astrovision.co.nz. Thank you.